Hello everyone, this is Jenni from tuftinglove.com, and this is a manual on how to assemble the starter kit frame that comes with your starter kit. What you see is what is all in the package included. You have the actual wood frame, the nail tags that are pre-cut, the 8 screws and the 2 eyelets to feed your yarn. The extra things you need is a hammer to nail down your nail tags and a screwdriver or an electric drill driver with a Torx 20. So you can get this in every normal hardware store. Let's start on placing the parts as we're gonna need it, and I explain you quickly how it's numbered. So you can see that there are these numbers like 1.1, 1.2, 1.3 and 1.4. On your frame, the one before the point will not be there. There will be another number. So this is just the number of the frame. So we know which parts go together. The important numbers for you are the ones behind the point. So 1.1 is the top and 1.2 is the bottom part of your frame. 1.3 is the left side and 1.4 is the right side. When you assemble it, make sure you're able to see all these marks. You take your screwdriver or electric screwdriver with the suitable bit, and we are now able to just simply, okay, don't make the same mistake as I do, because obviously this is not like the top part. This goes like this because you need to be able to clamp it down on both sides to your table. So now you can just slide in your first screw and so now everything is nice and tight together. There's no wiggle or anything. It's all nice and fixed. And before you now nail down your nail tags, we recommend on first putting in the eyelets here to feed your yarn, so you don't accidentally hold on to the frame where the nails are, because that's gonna hurt you. So also here, no matter if you're a lefty or a righty, make sure this overhang is on the left side and you put in the eyelets here, because you want to make sure to feed the yarn to your gun from the left side, because on the right side of the gun there is this movement tracking sensor where the yarn tends to get stuck and tangled if you feed it from the right side. So no matter if you're left-handed or right-handed, you want to make sure the yarn is coming from your left side. That's why we put it in like this. Now this is the pack of nail tags that come with the tufting frame. With nail tags, there's one thing you really need to take care of. First of all, you have this arrow here that needs to point outside. If you look at the nail tags like this, you can see the sharp small nails. With this nail you will fix it to the frame, and this nail is the one responsible for holding your tufting cloth in place. So you want this one to face out from the frame, so you can pull the cloth and it's gonna get stuck. So if this is your bottom part, make sure this arrow is facing outside, because like this you would not be able to fix your tufting cloth. It would just simply slip over the nail again. So one after the other we're gonna place it and nail it down. And now you have your nice tufting starter frame and you are ready to stretch your cloth. How to stretch your cloth and what to be aware of when you're tuft for your first time, you can see in the following video that is called First Time Tufting and what to consider. So I hope all this worked fine for you. If you need any help or something is not fitting right, send us an email to help@tuftinglove.com, and other than that, happy tufting. Bye!